came out here to tell the farmer that dinner was ready. He better come eat it before it gets cold. And he's trying to get the shop wall up by himself with the tractor. Over there doing that real quick. I wanted to sneak over here while he was making adjustments and show you Honey and her babies. Hi, no one. Honey said, what the heck was that? There's maybe a doe, maybe one doe left in here, but I'm pretty sure the rest of them are boys. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. Over here, she is our San Juan doe, and her babies are half Timuc and half San Juan. And we've got the 2 chestnut color bunnies here. And then, can you go see so I can show how pretty this little baby is? That one is gorgeous. It's like a lavendery color with red hue. That's the girl. The rest of the boy. There's 2 boys in here. This man amazes me with his drive to get things done and his knowledge of all things. We're really not sure if this is going to work, but this was his idea, so we'll see. I have faith. Well, the tractor wasn't heavy enough, and it only went up so high, so we had to hook it to the pickup. So we'll see if this works. It's okay, Blue. You gave it your best shot. I love this old tractor. That is some big old leaves of comfrey. I'm super excited. A lot of people don't know about Hairsheep. They think that all sheep are woolly and needed to be sheared. These guys shed off naturally, as you can see here on Moonshine. See how slick her sides are? You're spoiled, aren't you? She's not spoiled. No, not you. You're not spoiled, are you? Just a little? Yeah, just a little rotten. You sweet baby. Yeah, you're sweet. Yeah. Some people think that sheep can't be really tame, that they're wild and they're flighty. Some breeds are. These are painted desert, and you can see here, her hair comes off naturally. She just rubs on the fence and it comes off. Yeah. This guy is still up for discussion. Hanging with the boys, huh, buddy? He's gorgeous. Are you gorgeous? He had a little slow start at horns, but he's getting them. Looking good. I'm loving this black copper Marans that I raised up. Hi there. This is one of my grow outs. This one's one of my favorites. Where are you going? Where are you going? Look at all the feathers on that baby. This one's cool too. That one will be staying here. Hopefully, if it's a girl. Praying it's a girl. And that one back there is really cool too. Hoping that one's a girl too. So you can see my struggle. Some people are wanting some pullets. I'm growing all these out. I just haven't decided who's staying, who's going, and what is what for certain. So when I'm able to do that, I will let people know. I know this guy's a rooster. He's available. Not this one. That one. You're just chilling, outlaw? This is our 1-year-old. I think he's looking good. He knows he's handsome. He's got some pretty good bases going. Probably at least 6-inch base. She's trying to square it up now. feel like this big piece of farm equipment needs to have a flower, like a cactus or something. planted beside it. Breast chickens are like, what the heck is going on? Hi guys! That rooster's a big dude. Some of this stuff before I leave out of here, before he bush hogs everything to make hay. There's some self-fill right there. I love herbs. About to get it there. When the shop's done, it'll be 25 by 60. Lots more out here. As you can see, it worked. He got the wall up by himself and got it braced. Now while he's over there putting all of his tools and stuff up, we're gonna go over here and check out the rest of the rabbits. So I wanted to show you how Coco's babies are doing. They're all getting really big. Hi guys. Hi. Hi babies. She's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left, I think. No, 6 left. She's got 6 left. And most of hers are girls. So these are meat rabbits. We will process whatever's left. I hate to process the girls. The farmer says it doesn't matter if it's a boy or a girl, but to me, I don't know, it just really gets me. So if anybody's looking for some does, these are Tillamook does. They're the composites. I think there may be like 1 buck in here, but the rest are females. And here's the dad. This is our Tillamook buck. He has calico genes. I cannot wait. He's shedding off pretty good. Can't wait till he finishes shedding off because he is gorgeous. I love that blue. You see more blue, and then you see his red. He's a sweet boy. Oh, red. You're sweet, aren't you? Are you sweet? Are you sweet, buddy? You're sweet. You're just a big old sweetie. Yeah, you're just a big old sweetie, aren't you? I love this dude. Good boy. He's a gentle giant. So if you're wanting something for a pet, Honey's my pet. Red's a pretty good pet. They're just our breeders. You guys can have these for pets. Or if you want some pretty breeders to raise you up some meat, they get really good size.